For introverts with social anxiety, making friends can be tough. This article offers tips on managing social anxiety, meeting new friends, and self-care. Recognize symptoms like fear of judgment and intrusive thoughts, and replace negative thoughts with positive ones to ease anxiety. Start small by making eye contact, asking questions, and joining clubs or classes. Turn acquaintances into friends by asking for contact information. Spending time with people, even if it makes you nervous, can help build friendships. Make plans with new acquaintances, and be yourself to attract like-minded friends. Establishing a routine for weekly activities can make hanging out easier for introverts.